I know it has been a minute since we've spoken, and I do apologize for that, but I have a great surprise for you guys. So today we are going to be doing a full lock transformation at home. Now this is going to be completely like DIY, grab all the stuff yourself, do it yourself type deal. I'm not a professional, but I'm finna get into these locks, okay? Y'all, my birthday is in a couple of days. I turn 29. I will be 29 in a couple of days. I don't have time to play. I'm doing everything by myself. I'm doing my hair by myself. I don't care. I have full confidence in myself. So I'm really excited that we're gonna be doing a full ACV rinse today, a full apple cider vinegar rinse. Before I did the little mini ACV without the baking soda. That's the difference. I'm going to soak my hair. Y'all, I have everything. I have everything, okay? And we're gonna do it today. So a full apple cider vinegar rinse, from what I've researched so far, you're going to use the bin, fill it with hot water, and then you're going to put baking soda in there, and you're going to soak your hair into the baking soda. I got to check and see how long you're supposed to soak it. I've seen a couple of different numbers, but I'm just going to come up with a general roundabout. But I know it's not supposed to be long because it's not good for your hair for a long period of time. Actually, let me just pull up the instructions because, all right, so I had to just double, triple, quadruple check. So from what I'm gathering, you're going to put the baking soda into the bin with hot water, and you are going to soak your locks for 15 to 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. So I think I'm going to do 20 minutes. Y'all, it has been like almost 10 years. Yeah, I've never done a full apple cider vinegar rinse. I've never done this baking soda part. I feel like this is going to be really different, because this is the part where like the color is supposed to change in the water and all that stuff. You see all the dirt and stuff leave out. Like I didn't see that with the little ACV rinse that I did, or the mist that I did on my hair before I washed my hair. Now, like I said, I've never done this part before, so I'm a little nervous to see how it's gonna be, how dirty it's gonna be. I'm a little nervous about that, but I'm excited because I always hear that when people do this part, this is the part that like makes your hair feel so much lighter and so much more healthy, and just to the touch and to the feel. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited to feel that, and I hope that I feel that. So it's very important after you do the whole baking soda soak to rinse your hair out. After you rinse the baking soda out of your hair, what you're gonna do is get a mister or something along those lines, half apple cider vinegar, half water. Mix, shake well before use, and then mist it on your hair. You let that sit 3 to 5 minutes, and then you rinse that out. And then after we do that, we're gonna do my hair, because like I said, my birthday is in a couple days, so I gotta do this whole process. So it's gonna be a trip, guys. So straddle up, buckle up, girls. We're about to get into it. I haven't done my hair in so long because I've been waiting. I've been waiting to do it like right before my birthday. All right. So I'm tired of talking. Let's go ahead and get this thing going.
Okay, y'all. So it's honestly funny as hell to me how hard it was for me to get comfortable in this thing and with this thing. Like, I was maneuvering around. The water was getting out of the bin. I was getting wet everywhere. Like, it was a mess for a minute, but when I got it, Another thing that I know I messed up on is that hot water. I don't know if y'all can see that stuff steaming, but that water was so hot. So hot, in fact, that I could not put my head into it until like maybe five minutes were left into the soak. But I eventually got it in there, and I found other ways to get all my hair wet. That's coming too. I can say that the water, seriously, like my locks soaked up a lot of the water. So it would have been nice to have another person there to kind of like get some more water to pour in there while I was laying down. So I think it would be way easier with another person. But yeah, I went ahead and I set that timer for 20 minutes, as you can see. And then I started the process of just letting it soak in the vinegar. So yeah, like I was saying a little earlier, you can definitely see me trying different tactics to get all of my hair into that solution with the baking soda. And it did work. As you can see, like the freaking water was turning so dirty. I was not prepared for how dirty that water was going to turn. Like, even though I haven't done this ever, you know, I should have been prepared. But I just, when I saw it, I was like, ew, all that was in my hair. As much as I wash my hair, as much as I keep it moisturized, you know, you just never know. And like moments like this can really humble you as a lock girly. Like, you think you got it all together, and you really don't. You really don't. That is disgusting. That is disgusting. All right, y'all. So I'm out of the shower after the baking soda soak. And my hair, I'm not gonna lie, I did a long rinse and I almost went ahead and shampooed it, but it didn't say to shampoo it until after you do the apple cider vinegar part. So I didn't shampoo it, but it feels like everything is stripped away. I don't know. I guess that's good. I don't know if it's good or bad. Like, but as of now, it feels kind of odd to me. I'm not used to this feeling. I'll just put it that way. So, I'm still hoping for the best here. The next step is the mister, the apple cider vinegar mist. So I'm going to do half water and half ACV. So I have my mister here, half full of water, and I'm going to add this apple cider vinegar to it with mother, whatever that means. And half of that. Let me just, I should have just opened it and poured it out. Okay, period. Done with that. So, screw the top. Anyway, screw the top. Shake it up. And we're gonna get the mist in. Oh, it stank. Oh, it stank. But I love vinegar, I ain't even gonna lie. Not apple cider though. Oh, Jesus. Smells so good. Oh my God.
I can't breathe right now. Oh, I smell like vinegar. All right, this is supposed to sit for 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna do a cute little 7. All right, hair's already feeling better with this vinegar for some reason. But yeah, we're gonna do 7 minutes on the vinegar, and then I am going to do the normal wash, shampoo, conditioner, and then we're gonna do my little rope twist. Y'all know the go-to. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the story. So let's get to it. All right, so I just got done washing out that apple cider vinegar, and I also put some conditioner in my hair, so it feels much better now. I will say it does feel lighter. My hair feels way lighter, especially like when I even it out. It feels lighter than usual like this. Like usually it's a little bit more heavy, and not even like just extremely heavy, but just a tad. So I think it took a little bit out. I think I probably should have done another go around with the baking soda, because the baking soda is what really got all that stuff out. And like I can tell my hair, my locks just feel way lighter, so I'm happy about that. But the next task is to get this baby tamed and done and maintained. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be doing some crocheting. I'm gonna do the 2-strand rope twist that I always do, but it's my birthday weekend this weekend, so I got to look cute. So I'm gonna do the most. I'm not gonna lie. So it might take me a minute, but I only have like 40 something locks, so it's not gonna take me super long no matter what. But yeah, probably gonna speed this little process up for the video.
All right, y'all already know the motherfucking story. I'm about to do these rope twists. It's not going to take me any time. Well, actually, it's going to take me a little bit of time just due to the fact that I'm actually going to be crocheting a little bit. That process does like take a little more focus for me because I'm a little new to the crocheting game. So, you know, I like to take my time with that part of the process, but everything else, I'm zooming through 80 and a 60, baby. Went ahead and did my rope twist, or a 2-strand twist, as some would like to call as well, however you prefer. I definitely like to keep my hair moist while I'm doing this. I didn't use my mister this time just because I had just had apple cider vinegar solution in there mixed with water. So yeah, no. So I just used the water from my sink, old school. Just put a little bit on there, put a little dab of water on there, and then you get your little like gel and you do your little one too. It honestly did not take me that long to do the twisting parts. I'm telling y'all, that's the easiest part for me every time. And it doesn't matter how fast I go or like how much I'm not paying attention when it comes to the twist. Like they always come out so tea to me. So this will always be my go-to, and I am very satisfied with the end results. I do absolutely recommend doing the ACV process with someone else if you're going to DIY it, especially that baking soda soak part. I feel like that would go so much smoother with another person, you know, or just a professional. But overall, I feel like I did a pretty good job. My hair feels good, and yeah, it definitely made a difference for my hair.
Okay. So this is the finished product. I tried different directions this time with the 2 strands, like especially up towards the front, to give myself like these bangs automatically without having to, you know, flip around. So I think it'll be easier to have those down now by themselves. And the next step is to get this undercut tamed. So I'm doing that later today, and then I will come back with the final result. But this is basically it. This retwist is bad. It's bad. All right, so I will be back to show the final results. Okay, y'all, I am back from the barber. So, yeah, my hair is done. I have clothes on now. And here is the back. So we are completely done with my hair now. It took maybe, if I could have done everything like all together, it might have taken like 3 hours. That haircut took maybe 10 minutes. It wasn't long at all. But I'm happy it's finally done. So this is the end result of my lock makeover. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun getting this done. My hair feels so much lighter again. So much lighter, so much better. It just feels healthier. So I'm happy that I did the ACV, even though it was a tedious process. Very much worth it. Probably way easier with a professional, I'm sure. But yeah, this is the final result. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you later.